It's an enabler.
Right.
It's an enabler. And I think that that's, you know, if you think of it in that context, and that also, it's important to have a plan. It's important to be flexible enough to change the plan, but it's important to have a plan.
Absolutely.
And I think that it's, I think that there's never a time when you're really too young to start to do that. I always laugh because people say to me, you know, in 1968, when you graduated from college, how did you ever decide that you were, you know, like, how'd you decide that you wanted to get into the, you know, financial business? And, you know, how did you plan your career? Well, I wouldn't exactly call it a plan. I wanted to be financially independent. And that meant that I wanted to make it myself.